A lot of companies have a high level of apprehension when getting into automation. We were exactly the same.
For years I've thought there's got to be a way of building products that can be plug and play for customers so it simplifies the implementation of automation in their operations.
We wanted a solution for taking the high arc on time products and putting them in automation that did it for us. Our main solution was just trying to find more welders, more labor, and as time goes on, that gets more and more difficult.
PikRite got its name from one of their original harvesters. It's a high-mix metal shop that builds exceptional quality, robust, standard, and customized equipment for water and septic hauling, dump bodies, vegetable harvesting, and manure spreading. Due to the growing demand for their trucks and equipment, they were looking for more professional welders, but were having a hard time finding the skills and training required for PikRite's standard of production.
We were looking for a solution to increase our efficiency and our throughput and output. We want to keep our skilled welders on the things that really truly require like the skill.
And now THG Automation is building, productizing automation that's simple to use but has advanced features that you normally only see in custom integrated systems, allowing our customers access to that.
We discovered THG at a trade show, FabTech, and had a call with them and realized really quickly that their product was a good fit for what we were doing. The THG automation system has really made it intuitive, simple to program. We had lots of calls and conversations with THG, and we started talking about a tailored solution for the parts that we wanted to put in front of an automated welder, and he really helped us see the value of their product.
PikRite did not have any welding automation prior to introducing and implementing the THG system. Until THG's solution, they relied on manual processes. Initially, there was apprehension about positions being eliminated and the decision to bring in robotic automation. But PikRite soon realized that THG's solution was incredibly beneficial both for their team and operations.
There's still a big need for those human skilled operators, and there's also a need for the automation, and they work hand in hand beautifully.
This is about taking the best welding equipment, the best collaborative robot, the industrial robot of the future. We want to take all that stuff and turn it into a checkbox. PikRite was working through a couple of things. One was labor, production quality, weld quality, and the ability to scale.
The support from them has been awesome. And we were able to get on our feet pretty quickly, considering the complexity that we were asking the machine to do. We discovered with automation that we can put a weldment and complete it in half the time now.
The THG system's flexible modularity allows for the seamless addition and adjustment of components to meet evolving production needs, exemplified by PikRite's integration of the linear rail after the initial setup with the base system. This capability to add components and update, tweak, reposition, and customize not only enhances productivity, but it's also a hallmark of THG's innovative modular approach, empowering users to adapt and optimize their operations effectively.
As soon as we implemented the weld cell from THG, we realized it's actually a lot easier, and for us, we just need to think about our whole process and improve our process around a great piece of technology that really allows us to be more efficient.
All the functionality that's available through robotic welding and cutting, we've put all those pieces together so that they're easy to use for our customers. Then the learning curve is a lot flatter, and they get to use that more quickly in their operations.
It's crucial for us at PikRite that the products that are going out the door are going to serve the customer for a long time and are absolute highest quality. And it ties in perfectly with the technology that THG is offering. The repeatability and accuracy and quality that the machine's producing is right in line with what we demand.